Hello, everyone. I would like to say thank you to everyone for giving me an opportunity to celebrate my 60th birthday. It was a very successful party, and I was so blessed for all the people around us that they're always there, especially in our difficult time. Thank you so very much sa lahat, and especially those who participate this night to make it happen. Thank you so much for Ed for the prayers, and thank you so much, Sue, for giving me courage, to keep going. And thank you so much to all my family who's involved to all my party. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sponsors and all the people who join with us. Maraming maraming salamat at napasaya nyo ang aking big day. So, hopefully, nag-enjoy kayong lahat. Salamat sa lahat ng mga tumulong sa bubuhat ng mga gamit, paglilinis ng party room. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, everyone, and I hope to see you again next time, next party. So stay tuned to my video for my next